What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna be doing the headliner on Andy's truck. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this is how the headliner looks right now. The whole oily. But don't worry, we're gonna fix it up. So first thing, you gotta take off the side pillars and then obviously the visors. Just clip them off, the pillars, and then these obviously you need the taladro. Y aquí tenemos al Cut, el Nardo Andy, representing Reyes, bro. A ver, turn around, Cut. So this is the color we went for the headliner, and this is his @ so go follow him at Nardo Andy. Also, don't forget to unclip these in the back. Alright, let's go, Cut. Now that the headliner is out, now we have to peel the fabric off. Alright, so now with this wire brush, you take off all the old adhesive. Halfway done. Put Nardo Andy to work. Alright, now that you're done taking off all the adhesive, now you're gonna blow all this off. It should look something like this, and if it's not looking like this, then you're doing something wrong, bro. Come on now. Alright, so this is the glue. We're putting in whatever it is. Final result came out badass. We got the holes cut out. We're gonna install this. Final product, how it came out sick. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Y'all comment what we should do next. Like and subscribe.